Don't grief just get on your last nerves? Hey Wallflowers, my name is Dr. Nisha Wall. I'm a licensed mental health professional as well as a certified sex therapist, and today is Work It Out Wednesday, where we come together to get our lives together. Now, you know, something that I've noticed personally this week, because I'm coming up on my brother's death anniversary, is that you just be minding your business. You just be trying to have a good day, and all of a sudden it's like, dang, I want to send this dance video to my brother. He not here. How you gonna get it? How you gonna get it in the other side? I don't think they got phones there. You know what I'm saying? It is this way of just smacking you in the face. And then on top of that, grief is so multi-layered. It's not just one emotion. You have anger, you have disbelief, you have depression, you just have so many things. So this week, I want us just to take time to honor those who we love and we miss, and do something that they would love to do. Make it easy, don't do too much. Y'all have a good day.